So when you begin your test, you will come to a page like this. This will be your instruction page. This is where you will start out on. And so as you read through your instructions, you're going to be taken to a link right here. So as you read the instructions, you notice this link. When you open this link, it will bring up a separate supplemental practice material page. So if you'll notice here, if you'll take this page right here and you pull it out of your browser and then minimize it and put it on one side of your page, and then you go to your test page and you minimize that as well too, make it to where you can adjust the size to it and put that on one side of your page. And then you've got them side by side. Now this is important. Don't let them overlap because you don't want to cover any of the either one of your pages up here. But if you'll notice, we're on the English test here. So you look down here and see the English section passages. So access all English section passages by clicking or copying the link below. So you click on this link, and it brings up all of your passages right here that you have for your English exam. There's passage 1, there's passage 2, passage 3, passage 4, and passage 5. So whether you're on the reading passage, science passages, you'll be able to click this and open all the passages at one time. So you'll start here at the top with passage 1. Come back to your test. Now that you've got it open, you can also adjust the size of it. If you want to make it smaller, you can make it smaller where you can open up more of this page if you need to, or you can make it larger where you can see it a little bit better. You can adjust that however you want to. Just make sure you don't overlap onto the other page. So now, once you've done that and you've read all your directions and know what to do for the test itself, then you can open up and start the test itself. So now you come to question 1. And being the English test, you see here that since this is question 1 of 75, you see you're on question 1, you come over here to your passage and you match the question up with the passage itself. So you can see that number 1 has an underlined section here. And then we've also repeated that section within the question here so that you can know exactly what it says. And then you have the answers for those questions here. No change, form, from tiny, comma, water droplets, comma, C, D, so on, so forth. So you go through there and you can keep on going. You can keep on clicking. Go to number 2, 3. See, we're going to go all the way through here until we get to number 14 here. So we're going to pretend like you've answered all these questions here. And now we're on number 14, and you'll notice that number 14 and 15, or it says up here at the top, ask about the passage as a whole. So you have the whole passage pulled up here that you can refer back to. So you can answer those two questions right there, 14. And then 15 also asks about the entire passage, so you can use that. Then you click on to the next passage and you go to number 16. Now number 16, you notice is not in passage or is not in passage 1. So you'll move down here to passage 2 and you'll see question number 16 right there. Coats, comma, and we watched. Coats, comma, and we watched. And then you do the same thing there, and you can go through each one as you move along. Some passages, such as this one with the block around it, number 26. So we'll go to number 26 and show you that real quick. This just says if the writer were to delete the preceding sentence, so that's the sentence that's before number 26, the paragraph would primarily lose, and then you have a choice right there of answers to make there. All right, so that should cover it, and that should be all you would need to know about the instructions for really any of the passages and any of the tests that have passages with them, whether it's the reading, the English, or the science. Each one of them have the passages and the passage link with the main link in the instruction page that'll take you to that, and you can find those. Just make sure that you open them up in your browser where you can refer to both of those and the answer and the question at the same time. Good luck, and I hope you do well.